Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just finished section 2 and I really want to get this recorded so I can move on to section 3. I have not rolled for section 3, just for the color. If you remember from my last video, I do have it written down here because I am keeping track of these, just because. And if you don't know what I'm doing, this is section 1, section 2 of the Stitches Right blanket game. You can find all that information in my previous video. Kind of excited to do this. I am doing the baby blanket size, which I chained 110. I'm using an eye hook. And I think next time if I make another one, I should move up a hook size because it's a little stiff. But here's my first row, or first section. It is the fake popcorn stitch or something like that. Yeah, the faux popcorn stitch. Really like this stitch. And then the next section, which is a peach, it's not really showing up on my camera very well, but it is a peach color, and that is the houndstooth. So here's what I have so far, and this just marks the front side of my project. Like, it's not too hard to tell because obviously the popcorn stitches are on the front side. But anyway, for section 3, I pre-rolled and wrote it down just for the yarn colors so that I could put them in my bag. Section 3, I have pink, which here is my pink color. This is a Craft Smart pink. I think it's covered up, but anyway, Craft Smart pink that I'm going to be using. And I'm ready to roll for section 3. And I will get started on it tonight. I think I'm also going to roll... Oh, I didn't bring my pen. Crap. Alright, I will be right back. I'm going to go grab my ink pen so that I can write down my information. Alright, ink pen has been secured. So I can probably just roll it on the table, but I was rolling this dice on another table, but this is actually the pool table, so it shouldn't really, bounce anywhere. But this is the roll for the stitch, and that is number 5. So stitch number 5 is, what is stitch number 5? There's 3, 4, 5. So stitch number 5 is the actual popcorn stitch, and it starts on the wrong side of the project. So that should be interesting. So let's write this down. Popcorn number 5, and then I'm going to go ahead and roll. Let's see, this will be section 4. And I'm just going to roll for the color. I'm not going to roll for the stitch because I want it to be a surprise when I do. So rolling for the color for section 4, and that is a 2. Okay, well, we can do that. So color 2 is peach. So we will do another peach row. All right, well, if you guys are joining in, let me know down in the comments below. If you are not, that is fine too. This is just something different that I decided I wanted to do. And so far, I am actually enjoying this project. So give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you when I get the next section complete.